In this video, I'm going to show you how to add candidates to a project and also give you an overview of how visual analytics works. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add candidates into visuals and sort of how generally it works. Here we have a project with a few candidates that's been added, and they have a different competency profile. And in this specific project, we have Matrigma and MAP. So that's what the candidates have been doing prior to going into this. And then, as I mentioned in the previous video, we have the new button here called Visual Analytics. And by pressing it, we're transported to the new module. And now it's empty because we haven't added any candidates. And this is the competency profile that this project had. It was problem solver, planning, good communicator, and influencer. And then by adding candidates to see how they compare to each other, you press the add candidates. And then you get a list of the candidates that you have. And if there are more candidates that can show up, you can search the candidates by pressing here or writing in here. So if I wanted to have a specific one, I can find them. If I press, and maybe if I want another one, maybe I want to have two. Maybe I want to compare Timon Pumbaa and Shrekky Shrekson. I just press these two. Maybe I want to do three, and then I do that. And you can see the match score on the right-hand side. It gives you an indication how well they've scored against this competency profile. And then when you press create, that's when you add candidates. So now they are going to show up here on the right-hand side. The first thing that's actually added is the average score on these three candidates. If you take it away, it's going to be empty, and then you can add the candidates, and you can see how they compare to each other.